Good day, everyone. I will teach you how to name a binary with acid. So let me first share my screen. Just wait. So for tonight's lesson, it will be how to name a binary acid compound. The content of this presentation is divided into two parts. First, how to name a binary compound, and second, how to form the chemical formula of the compound chosen. First part, how to name a binary compound. So, our example for tonight is the chemical formula HF. How would you do it? First, you need to know some rules. If it contains a polyatomic ion that ends with 8, you will change it to IC or IC plus acid. Then, if it contains a polyatomic ion which ends in ite, you will change it to use plus acid. And last, if the polyatomic ion that ends with ide, it will be hydro plus ike, which you changed, and plus acid. Next step is we will change the fluoride, which ends in IDE, to fluoric plus acid. Then for the hydrogen, the hydro will stay, and we will just add the fluoric and acid. So then the binary name for the chemical formula of HF is hydrofluoric acid. So for the second part of this video, we will learn how to form the chemical formula of the chosen compound. So our chosen compound is hydrofluoric acid. First, we will write the symbols H for hydrogen and F for fluorine. So how did I get the subscript of positive 1 in nitrogen and the negative 1 in the top of fluorine? We all know that hydrogen is included in the group 1A and the fluorine is included in the group 7A. So that's where I get the positive and negative 1 for hydrogen and fluorine. So for the next step, we'll just copy the symbols H and F. And for the subscript for the hydrogen, we will cancel out the positive, then bring it down to the fluorine. And for the fluorine, we will cancel out the negative and we'll bring it down to the hydrogen. There is a rule that when we are writing the chemical formula, if there is a subscript of 1 in the element, we don't need to write it down to get the final answer or the chemical formula of the compound. So for the final answer Our chemical formula is HF. We're done. So, thank you for listening and watching to my presentation. Hope you enjoy it, and I hope that you learn something today. Thank you and God bless. Have a great day. I'll just stop sharing. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye. I hope you learned something.